Sour candy, 2 meter long. Show him, bro. No, same height as you.
No, like when I do this.
Yeah, look at the floor. Same height as you.
I'm taller.
Yo, same height as you, bro.
taller.
No, same height yun, same height.
I'm taller.
Look, didikit natin sa floor. Yan na, dikit. Okay, dikit
I'm gonna
ha.
hold it here, ha?
Dikit ha. Okay, go. Yo!
You're pulling it up. No, do it.
Lit mo, bro. 2 meter tall. Look it mo, bro. No. Saan kayo kumain, ma'am?
Wala.
Sa nakaupo. Sa nakaupo. Ayaw kasi nitong nakatayo kumain. Yo!
Babayad ka na lang eh, nakatayo pa. Kasing thinking yun. Babayad.
We're extremely far from the starting point. Yeah.
Lover.
And like, we're so far away. Oh.
Oh, thank
Yeah, and Dad's already tired.
Why did that look like a mouse?
Rise and shine, kids! Day 2! Daddy's cold! Okay, we're gonna ano lang, suot lang ta. Oh. Someone got my shoes? Oh, thank you, kids. Ganda ng slippers ko, bro, oh. Basta, kids, I'm gonna enjoy my air wheel, kids. My air wheel. What's my air wheel? Yo! Lover, this is what you call riding like a baby, bro. How you, Blubs? I'm enjoying my air wheel, bro.
No, Dad, why do you need to ride area? It's so near.
No, it's a bit far. It's like 1 kilometer, bro.
Yeah, 1 kilometer.
I'm the one riding my air wheel, bro. Bob Blubber. Guys, may nakiki-air wheel, oh. May nakiki-air wheel. Oh, faster, bro. That's a fastest speed. Guys, ang bagal na ng air wheel namin, bro. At least we're not tired, diba, Blobs? Diba, Blobs? Yo, it's a good idea, Blubber. Guys, we're passing by parang park, oh. You can see the birds chirping and everything. Yo, so nice here, kids. We're passing National Medical Center. Yo!
Oh, the National Medical Center looks so good.
Yeah, so big. Kids, I'm gonna be doing some Mishwa stuff on you kids later for borrowing my stuff, bro. Kids, we're already here. Isaac Coffee. No, it's Isaac Toast and Coffee. Let's go, kids. After the Isaac Toast and Coffee, we're ordering dito sa Mega Coffee. Guys, may pa-Snoopy dito, manong. Uy, bakit hindi ka nag-order? Yo, what happened to the second time, bro? Yan yung order namin. They cook it on the spot, so it's very fresh. Kids, it's here! Minerva's ham and cheese, mine's the bulgogi, and then yung bacon special, yung kay Blobsters. Kids. Okay sana, pero we're eating at the streets. Ganito tayo, feeling natin, sa tabi-tabi lang tayo. Yan.
Yo, you have
Baka naman, mind sabi. Yun no, daming order nung kabila. Oh, yun no.
Nahulog, ano ka ba?
Yun no. Mamadali pa yung isa oh. kape namin. Mega coffee. We got ice americano and cold brew. Sabi mo, mabubugbog ka na dito.
Thank you for Isaac Toast. It's so good.
Anong mini-mimic mo? Ha? Meron tayo dito.
Pinili ko yung naka-blue. Sabihin mo na yung message mo.
Gumamit na ng air wheel ko. Mamayang gabi, may utang yan sa akin isang steak. Ikinari steak tayo mamayang gabi. Yung cheap lang naman.
Paano yun? Layo-layo. Ayaw ko maglakad.
Wala ba ikinari steak dito? Oh.
Oy, may steak? Galbi steak.
We're gonna go to Japan. Magagalbi steak tayo.
Steak? Steak? Nga ako. I want steak.
We're done with our standing ovation breakfast. Time to go to the outlet store in front. Guys, may bully oh. Grabe bully, nakita nyo yun. Bully tong nakaputi na to, bully oh. Kumain ka na?
Moms. Hindi.
Oh, wow, di pa kumain to. Guys, hindi pa kumakain yung naka-red dyan oh, na naka-polka dot. So, BM na mamaya yan, BM. Oy!
Taxi ako eh.
Oy, ay, wow! Max!
Yan na.
Nag-taxi lipa rin ako dito, bro! Kaya pala, fresh na fresh. Kaya pala walang kapawis-pawis.
Galit na kasi.
Tayo kumain, ma'am?
Wala.
Sa nakaupo. Sa nakaupo. Ayaw kasi nitong nakatayo kumain. Yo!
Babayad ka na lang eh. Nakatayo pa. Kasing thinking yun.
Bye! Guys, yung akin, air wheel lang. Ano yung sagot mo, ma'am? Ano yung sagot mo? May ano ka? May ano ka?
Ikawan, meron ka.
May ano ka? May ano ka? Ako may air wheel ako eh.
Ay, ako may taxi.
Lakas, bro! Lakas! Lakas ng ano, Uber ninyo. Guys, pasakay ako sa Uber mo ah.
Charge lang sa card. Walang problema.
Yo!
Billy shot na lang.
Guys, first time tayo nakakita ng matabang Snoopy. Ayun oh. Magkamukha sila oh. Ayun oh, ayun oh, ayun. Kamukha kayo.
Ito mo side view, pinisa mo, hindi na nakita yung taba eh.
Side view ka nga. Side view ka nga. Oh, yun oh! Yun oh! Yun oh! Kitang-kita yung... Aray! Ara! Uy, naka-video ka, loko ka. Tila lang, andito yung pangmalakasan kong ano, lilibre daw ako kape. Boss ko may kape dito oh. Lakas oh.
Silipin mo yung pagka-front niya.
We're gonna try the coffee. Smells better than Mega Coffee. Uy, kung ganyan baka ano.
4,300 yan, excuse me.
It's much better than the Mega Coffee.
Totoo, bolero.
This is the real moonball. Yung pagka binounce mo, may tunog. Ganyan no, pakita ko sa'yo. Mga nagsha-shopping ng abubots, so kami, graduate na kami sa ganun. Dagdag lang yan ng gamit sa bahay. Sabon lang dito. Sabon dyan, oh. Anong meeting to, guys? Anong meeting to? Itong talaga to, oh. Talaga to, may pabangs-bangs pa tong kasama namin, oh.
Wala kayo kami bangs. Yan ba uso ngayon?
Yan ba uso ngayon? Ha? Pabangs-bangs ka pa? Ha? Ganun, gumagano yung lagi. Ganun mga yung bangs.
It's normal.
Iyan, no?
It's normal.
Uy, buti na lang. Meron tayo nito. Kita natin, no? Uy, someone shopping some pajamas. Yo, you're getting that and who's paying, bro?
Mommy.
Oh! Yo! Mamaya, yari tayo pag ubus na battery niyang air wheel na yan. Yo! Sige lang, all day. Naman mag-shopping na to. Ang balls mag-shopping. Ayun, no? Flex mo nga yung bagong pajama ba, bro?
Pajama.
Whoa! Kampe!
Guys, let's go alcoholic. You know what this is? It's a flashlight. I know, right? It's so useless. Just kidding, it's a pen.
That's the most useless stuff ever, bro. Kids, magka-claw machine sana tayo, but it's out of service. Videoin na lang natin. So sad. The claw machine is broken. Isa lang yung on service, but we don't like what's inside. So, oh well. Let's go to the next claw machine. Kids, so look at Sape there. That's a luxury fancy Sape. Oh, yo. Sape, what did you buy, Sape?
There's some there.
Sape, what did you shop, bro? Guys, ito yung shinaping niya. Ikot tayo sa likod. Excuse me, Blobs. Yun, no? Yun, no? Kita mo yan? Kita mo yan?
In one receipt.
Guys, ninakaw na natin. Hindi niya pa alam.
Siguro sa basement daw tayo pumunta.
Ganda ng snoot ko. Ganda, oh.
Sinabi din sa akin, di mo.
Sakay-sakay dyan, ha?
I'm guarding it.
Huh?
I'm guarding. I'm the guard
You're
dog.
supposed to walk. You got that big belly of yours, bro.
I'm guarding it. I'm guarding it.
Our next itinerary is lunchtime. We are at B2 lang. We're gonna eat some turo-turo. Some will have hot pot and we'll check wherever we want to eat. Kids, let's go eat here na lang. There's beef. Guys, try natin kimchi. Yung kimchi niya dito, buo pa yung cabbage. Namin yung Lete Baguio. Not bad. We ordered the Korean traditional food. Usually ito, sabaw yan na beef. Itong isa, beef na soft beef, and then may tang yung isa. The other one is the spicy version. So, yun. Okay, let's eat, kids. So, sa ilalim na to may noodles din. And then may rice siyang kasama. Then you eat it with rice. So, hati lang kami. Tapos we also ordered the dumpling, yung malaking dumpling. Tawag sa kanya mandu. Mandu, M-A-N-D-U. But it's called, parang sa Chinese called mantou ata. Mandu tawag. Nang kain yun, no?
Look, I made kimchi fried rice.
Yo! Kimchi fried rice, bro! Guys, usually ganito yan, no? Yung may soup ka, pwede mo ilagay dito, or you get the rice, lubog mo sa soup, kakainin mo with the soup. Very good. At yung lasa nila dito lahat, bland. Kung maglalagay sa sarili mo ng soy sauce.
Oh, the
Parang
salt
soy
and
sauce
pepper.
yan. Tapos may salt and pepper on the side. Ilalagay mo, then eat your own para hindi lahat kasi gusto maalat. Better siya with the soy sauce. Parang may kunting lasa siya. Nabag. Guys, try naman natin yung malakang dumpling. Ito yung dumpling niya. It's called the big dumpling. Lagyan natin soy sauce kasi for sure it's bland. We're gonna try it. Parang siyang kutsar dumpling. It's a mix of meat and vegetables. Okay, we're done with our lunch. So we ate the traditional Korean soup. Usually yung beef niya dito, matagal pinapakulo. If you've noticed, yung soup niya kanina, di ba, color medyo puti-puti. Matagal yan sobrang pinakulo. So parang collagen soup sila. Mahilig sila sa collagen soup plus kimchi. Kaya mga Koreana, makikinis ng mukha. Let's go to ground floor. Tupiin mo! Sakya, tupiin mo! Go! Tupiin mo! Tupiin mo!
Tupiin ko.
Ano? Tupiin na natin to. Pagtulungan natin. Tatlo tayo dito. Ikaw, ha?
No.
Utang ka pa 1 inch pan sa akin, ha? Ooh!
Yo! I'm big. I'm big up. That's right. You got it.
Umiilag to eh. Chicken, umiilag. Oh, may fountain na
Oras
kid.
maglaro, we need to go straight
Let's
na.
go! Lakas ng kasama natin, Farmers Gary, yo! So we're gonna take the subway back to our hotel. So ito na, we just went down yung sa hagdan, subway.
Let me rephrase that. We're going back to hotel para magpasabon.
Oh, no! Sabon to guys, sabon. Usapan kasi 12:30. Ayan, oras na tayo. 2:15. Buwabalik. Yan, sabon. Sabon to mamaya. Battery saving mode. Ayan o. Papakainin na lang yan mamaya ng vape. You want more vape later, bro? More vape? Kids, follow me, kids. Follow me.
This is going so slow.
We just go straight, then Botanic is there. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, we arrived at the Botanic na. So we're just gonna change, refreshen up. For us, we're gonna unload lang yung maleta. Ang dami kasing gamit. Then, yun. We're gonna go meet Ama Angkong and then go proceed to the park. Yung social na floor, 7th. Bye-bye. Ang malakasan yung 7th floor. Yeah. Okay, we've refreshened up. We're gonna go down. Yeah. Our next destination to Uedo Hanang Park. Let's go. Medyo marami tayo, so we'll just take Uber one by one. Maybe we'll take 3-4 cars or 4x4 cars. Tapos dire-diretso. May Instagrammer tayo. Yan o. Yan o, Instagrammer o. Ayun o. O, ano? Ano, kumusta? Kumusta? Kumusta yung picture mo, bro? Yan o. Okay, let's go na, kid. Let's go. Let's go to the park. Uy, how old are you na? Ilan taon ka pa na? Naglalaro ka pa niyan? Ha?
7 years old.
7 ka pa? Kids, we're going to that portion there. See this, river? This one? We're just on the bridge. We're gonna go there. Kids, we're here na, kid. Let's go! What's up, bro? Yung ano namin, yung tagabantay namin. I arrived early pa with my air wheel, bro. Bro, basta ako. Basta ako may kotse, bro. Maglakad ka lang, bro. Ako Oy, kung ganon. Left side brake, left brake, left brake, left brake. Yan. Here now, we're walking around. It's a very big place. So we're gonna go there. May mga booth doon eh. Oh, agwa si Bokwa yung Hanwha building di dala. Wa matsebo? Wa matsebo? Okay, let's go around and let's eat. Let's eat. Wale, baka na ko buwa. Where's my allowance? Guys, we're trying our first stop, the barbecue here. We're getting the signature one. Guys, try na natin yung barbecue. Ito na yung barbecue. Uy, parang masarap yung chicken, oh. Uy, mas masarap yung pork chop. 17K. Guys, try natin.
Hawak, di ba?
Bokos. Mamag.
Bosang ba?
Right lang.
Guys, try natin tong chicken. Saan mo binili to niya?
Kumakuha ka ni Boy Capello lahat.
Try natin tong fried chicken.
Masarap siya. Tagal mo eh.
Binili tong chicken lang. Chicken, ito yung chicken na kinain namin. Oo naman, parang pinili tong chicken lang.
No, but don't worry. Just make Shichak buy more. Shichak buy for us.
Oh, malamig. Sarap.
Got more?
Sarap ng orange, yung strawberry, lamig. just went to this stall here. It's we got the sweet rice punch. We've never seen it, so we ordered it. Moms, patay nga ako niyan. We're trying it out lang. Okay naman, parang siyang tubig lang na may rice, yeah. It's all, I think it's a bit sweet. Yeah, mga siguro 70% sugar to. May mag-share daw.
Bố con có cao hơn đi mày á? Giá đi mày.
Oh, di ma.
Giá đi mày.
Look at it. Oh.
Bắt giá tiền apa di mày bơi. Giá đi.
Sarap, lamig.
Di si Kuya lang ham.
We'll go.
Mainit na kami.
May namimigay ng takoyaki dito. Oh. Sarap po. Siyempre kukuha tayo, libre. Try natin yung takoyaki. Takoyaki, kailangan chopstick style.
Dan niya, hindi parang bokaw, no? So, side food pa lang.
Hello, you missed the Jack Free. Hiya.
Kumusta yung takoyaki natin, bro? Hindi na mainit yan.
Ayoko.
Ah!
Scared though.
Ah!
It doesn't get hot up here. Like,
Kakasok video. 4x4 bike ka. Okay kids, we're here na. We're gonna be renting the bike. It's just somewhere in the right side. Ayun, daming bike ko. Hindi maubos yan. May ano pa, 6 4x4. Let's go! Ang galing ng mga bata na yan. Family car, si Chak Bayad. Let's go! Okay, let's go! Let's go!
This pedal thing is so hard. You guys are so lucky. Look
Kuya, daan-daan ka lang ha.
Hey, we're like professional drivers, si Jack. Don't worry. Professional ako.
Yo, guys! Si Chak walang ginagawa. Yo! Tira ba to? Yo! 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 Yo!
Where do we go? Left, right, where? Oh, here's on the steering wheel.
Like it's an electric car, bro.
The dude is only pedaling. That's insane.
Not too fast, not too
My
fast.
feet don't reach.
Okay, we are at, nandito na tayo sa may P3 area.
We took 3 people.
So here, there are a lot of buses down the left side. Ito na yun. So, let's go to the other side naman. We already reached the end na. Ito na yung end ng P3.
It's super illegal.
Don't turn, don't turn.
Lunge forward. Lunge. 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 So it's faster.
Guys, nakikirace yung nasa likod natin. Yo! Yo! Guys, we lost! Go, pedal, bro!
Everything hurts.
Ako na magbabike. Nakakapagod to uphill. And there's a nice view on the left side, kids.
We're extremely far from the starting point. Yeah. And like, we're so far away. Oh. Yeah, and that's already tired. Why did that look like a map for a second? You need the whole steering wheel. Say hi, y'all.
Gloves a little bit front so they can see you too.
Hi, y'all. Yo, we might hit the bike person's brake.
No. Come on. Si Chak na bahala.
Pyong, 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 pyong.
You need to brake too strong.
Oh, yes. I think next thing you see, Chuck, we're going as gas. We're fast as a bike.
Where are we, bro?
I don't even know where we are. Oh, the ship. My boat won't hurt anymore. Say we're going back now. Going back because Dave over here said that he saw the 4-seater is restricted here. So we are 5-seated. No, we're 4-seater. It's actually a 5.
Kids, pinagalitan tayo. Let's go. Let's just do some B-roll, kid. Let's go.
Full speed. There. Just imagine me.
There's 4 passenger princesses here, bro. 4 passenger princesses. Bro. Yo. Bro, si Chuck Star, no. Guys, we just crossed some bridge there. Over there on the right side. Okay, we're back. Uy. Look on the front. Look on the front. Ito raw, gusto raw i-try. Okay, I'm gonna paddle less na. Go, ZD boy. Go, ZD, go. Go, ZD, paddle. Go, ZD.
Dad, you're not even biking.
No, ZD said he's strong. Go.
I never said that.
You.
I said I was faster on
Yeah, they're now on foot, bro.
Something. Say it after you, can I drive?
Go lobster, go, go. Yun, lakas ng lobster na yan, no? Look, oh, tira mo si Dad, oh. Yun, oh. Yun, oh, no, yun, oh.
I wasn't even pedaling earlier and we were faster
Yo,
than this
no,
face.
yo.
I know, right?
That's a passenger princess, blubber.
There's a passenger princess also.
Yo. I'm having fun here, blobs. Even if it's a slow ride.
Say it, Dad, help me!
The princess now. I have no idea.
Child labor, si Ella lang. Go, yo.
No, take a pedal! Can we go to the playground?
Break ko konti, break ko konti. Break ako konti. Ito yung playground. We're supposed to go down eh.
No, but my chicken! That's a dark chicken, that's a chicken!
Hoy, nataas. Panic.
Should I betray y'all and break? Oh, there's a car there!
Yo!
We're better! We're better! Ama!
Are we going back already?
Hindi pa, may 20 minutes pa kami.
Boss. Sabay
Yun,
mo.
oh, yun.
Yan. Ganyan. Diretso.
Guys, yung prinsipe nyo, paki silbihan ha. Go, yun no, sarap naman yan no. Guys, sarap ng libreng pasahe. May electric fan pa ako. Hindi, may bike lane doon, dire-diretso, may running lane. Yung ito pala, itong lane straight na to, ang haba pa pala oh.
Pork belly.
Dami pa dito oh.
Ano?
Dami pa palang pagkain dito. So you can still go here. Marami pang mga food stalls. Guys, we're trying the pork belly. This one, oh. Monster Barbecue. Gutom kong kasama. Ito, pinautusan pa ako kumuha na ang pork barbecue. Guys, sunduin natin with pork barbecue. Team Sparkles.
Binwat Lilo.
Ikot na. Guys, nasa bridge kami oh. Ang ganda. It's very cool here sa
Meron
bridge.
kaming money drop off.
Ganda oh. We're looking for Team Sparkles. Team Sparkles!
Balik na!
Balik na, 6:15. I got barbecue, pork barbecue.
Hey guys! We got so much
Go, go, go!
Kaya simple lang. Like,
Ilagyan namin ng mustard. Let's try it.
Yun na si Mustard. Hindi po ito, sayang no.
Hongdae. Gumiti Hongdae na.
Mustard wasabi, masarap. Lagyan mo to. Saka to.
Mustard sauce.
Bosa nga tayo.
Guys, tatry namin yung isang sauce.
Hongdae na.
Ako, sasawag. Kuno mo ako niyan. Ito. Tatry natin yung isa. May iba-iba kasing kulay yung packets ng sauce. May red, may yellow. Tatry natin tong yellow. Ito.
Mustard sauce.
Mustard sauce. Yung isa naka-red, nakasulat mustard sauce din. Ito mustard sauce.
Sige yan.
I-vlog mo na. LJ.
Parehas lang. It's a same sauce.
Masarap ito.
The red and yellow same sauce. Are same lang. Yung color red, may wasabi. Mas malakas yung sipa ng red sauce ng wasabi. It's better.
With sauce, no sauce.
I'm gonna try with sauce.
Video man 2 na sa kabila yung naka-red. Okay, our next stop, we're gonna go to the subway na. So everyone will just gonna go up, tapos we'll look for the nearest subway, then go back and eat somewhere. Kumusta bike mo?
Pangit giring.
Hindi ka nag-bike, no? Hindi ka nag-bike, no? Ha? Yung in-order namin. Dito mahaba pila, doon wala.
Baka siya kahol siya baka. Parang may pressure
So, guys, yung ano natin, no? Yung photographer natin. We're gonna go to Hongdae area and eat chicken. Ni, pwede mga ako ng lip balm mo? Pwede mga lip balm? put some lip balm?
Yes, no. Does this?
Prank, bro. Prank, bro. Ito pa sa'yo to. This is yours too.
Di ba nalalater di ba sleeping mask?
You keep your bag open, but I'm gonna get some stuff there, bro. We're done with the ticket vending machine. Let's go. Subway. We're gonna go to Hongdae soon. Tapos, we can choose turo-turo na lang where we want to eat. So there's a lot to eat there. There's chicken, pork, and stuff like that. We'll see. Let's go. Okay, we're at Hongdae Moon. Ito na, marami nang pwedeng bilhin. Bala-bala stuff.
Oh, time zone.
Sure, sure. Dayamanin, daming refund card. Oh, yo!
Ano yung bibig nga diya?
Ako na magtago niyan.
Wala, tama kasi.
Ako na magtago niyan.
Ticket to, iba ikaw sa buhay sa itong papara.
Oh, di ko tago log. Sige ko tago lo ha.
Ikaw buhay China.
We're at Hongdae area na, so there's really a lot of people here. It's very lively here. Ayan o. We're gonna be eating here, barbecue place. Let's go. Order na tayo dito sa phone. We are number 18. We ordered 500 grams of beef, tapos 200 grams of pork, then 2 soups and 3 plain rice. Yung kids table, I don't know if they don't know how to cook. It's who's cooking here. But you never cook once in your life, bro. I'm always the one cooking. I'm always cooking, bro.
I always go to the beef place and you're like,
Taba? Taba, marunong ka ba magluto? Taba?
no, he doesn't. He's not like,
Oh, bro. It's okay, you know, the good news is, if you eat beef, yung pinworms ng beef is shorter. It's not as devastating as eating raw pork. Ma'am, lutuan mo na lang ako. Sige, sure. Kawawa naman tayo dito. Ako yung nagluluto, bro. Down yung katabi ko dyan. Down, bro.
how can we have more
Cook here, bro. Parang baka masunog eh.
Hatso.
How's your barbecue? Ano?
barbecue? It's beef.
That's pork.
That's pork. Pork.
Kanina tubos na yung beef. Try na natin. I don't remember if I videoed it or not.
No, you never did.
Yo! Masarap yung beef niya, masarap din yung pork niya. Yung may marbling pa yung ano yung beef niya. We're gonna take Uber now. We're gonna go home. Okay, call it a day. Everyone start and full. Yo, bakit may Kalo ko ba mainit? Ba't ka pa jacket, bro? Kala mo malamig, bro. Kids, maglalakad pa tayo, kid. Let's go. Your mommy's gonna go eat dessert lang, then we're gonna go home. We're ordering dessert here at Pink Coffee, 1800. This is ours, strawberry, and this is custard strawberry. Ano yan, custard strawberry?
Yeah. Custard strawberry.
That's custard lang, and this is strawberry. We're gonna try it now, bro. How's it? Try ko nga yung custard. Oh, the sauce is like, parang doon sa feeling ng Dunkin' Donut. Sarap. Try this. Whipped cream yan eh. I'm gonna eat the whole strawberry. Want the strawberry blocks?
Okay. Dad, I already did okay.
Blubber, the strawberry is so sweet.
Let's go to the grocery, Dad. Let's buy baon, ha?
Strawberry is so sweet.
Yeah, there.
Mom,
No eating in the car, ah. They're gonna pay.
strawberry is so sweet. Blobs here. Iyan dyan ka kay mami mo. He didn't. Manny, the strawberry is so sweet, Manny B. Okay, the whole thing is crap.
Can I have some nuts?
Crap.
Who's bullying that? I don't know. She wasn't my concern.
Oh! Yo! Oh! Oh, yung panscot! Ay, yun mo tong. Galing na bata. Try the custard. Okay sa loob, oh. Malamig sa loob. Yung isa, mainit. Yung malamig.
Yung crab.
No, my nose!
Yung crab ko, bro.
Love my nose! Look at.
No. You got force.
Hey, you got pork too, bro. Ay, sarap ng custard. Man, pingi pa ako niyan. Bakit ayaw mo mamigay?
Listen, this is my crab, bro.
May one last bite. Hindi naman. Tigil na.
10 bites, bro.
No, not yet. Come here na.
He's
that wasn't-
lying, bro.
Come here na.
Oh my, look, it was here. Now it's here.
Huwag ka nang swapang. Come here na. Share ka na. Sharing is love it, bro.
Yo, it's such a big bite. Bro.
Very good together with the strawberry, the custard,
Yung chocolate.
and chocolate.
The crab.
Kaya palang haba ng pila. Ngayon wala ng pila eh.
Kasi gabi na, bro. Everyone's sleeping. It's like 10 p.m. already. It's 9:30.
Since she doesn't wanna let me, I bait him one big bite. Ah! Pagkatapos hiramin jacket ko, pati yung sasakyan ko, ayan oh. Blue na blue oh, yung batang yan oh. Grabe. We're gonna go to Kmart lang. Ella's checking some stuff. So the Kmart is like a small grocery store.
All 3 flavors. Yo, it's a
Stretch it.
It's a sour candy that's 2 meters long.
Sour candy, 2 meter long. Show him, bro. No, same height as you.
No, like when I do this.
Yeah, look at the floor. Same height as you.
One taller.
Yo, same height as you, bro.
taller.
No, same height yun, same height.
One taller.
Look, didikit natin sa floor. Yan na, dikit. Okay,
I'm
dikit
gonna
ha.
hold it here, ha?
Dikit ha. Okay, go.
You're pulling it up. No, do it.
Lit
to
mo,
the
bro. 2 meter
That's
tall.
the
Look
funny
it mo, bro.
body.
No. Hey you, you're starting to become like your mom. Add to cart ka ng add to cart.
No. I have reasons. Because, like, in Korea, I can eat all you can. But in
Wow,
training, my diet's
bro.
so strict.
Yo, bro.
can't even eat sweets.
Pagbalik mo ng Pilipinas, you're gonna be the slowest swimmer. You're gonna be a fat dolphin, bro.
Bro, what the heck?
Yung nanay dumating lang. Boom. Ayan o, nakiki-add to cart na. Yo!
Dad, corn.
Yo, grabe mo. Oh, yo!
Oh, okay.
Sabi yung isa mag-add to cart, ginagano lang. Dug. Bro, that's what's worse, bro. We should have just left and didn't wait for your mom. That's gonna be bro.
Okay, guys, let's go to counter to waste that credit card money. Oh, yeah.
Yo! Sabi oh, andyan na yung sinaping oh. Grabe, puno-pinuno yung sako bag oh.
No, it's not. At least it's not that bad like this morning.
Kids, nakita niyo yung Olive Young dito oh? The whole ground floor is just one straight line. Ayun oh, check natin.
For checkout.
Oh, it's closed. It's for checkout. Wala eh. We're passing through lang but grabe yung Olive Young dito. There's a lot of people here. Okay kids, time to go home. Walkathon na tayo. Buti na lang, may air wheel. Manibi, where are you, Manibi? Blue na blue, oh. Kitang-kita yung Manibi. We're gonna take the subway kasi we have a lot of monies doon sa T-Money card. That's about it na. We're calling it a day na talaga this time. It's final. We're gonna go home via subway. It's only one train ride. Then after that, uwi na. Calling it a day. Dad's gonna do some laundry. And then the kids going to sleep. Let's go, kids. Okay, kids, we're calling it a day. Your dad's tired. Time to sleep now. Good night, kids.
You sure? You're gonna video again in the room.